Hi, this is Ms. Cheek, Fall Creek Valley, with the Tech Tip. Today you are going to get your new schedules, and we are going to also get a paper here that will help instruct you how to self-join your new groups. Even if your schedule didn't change, you do want to join all the new groups on your schedule. And here's what we'll do. As you can see, I have my schedule and I have my paper here. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my new schedule and fill in the last names of my teachers. So period 1, I have Phillips. Period 2, Mr. Owens. You see it says W. Owens. That's his first initial. So if you have any questions about these names, go ahead and ask your teacher. Now you'll notice for period 3 and 4, I have a block language arts class with two different teachers. Okay, that's this whole area here. So for 3 and 4, I'm going to have one block, and my teachers are going to be Piscotti and McLernan. For period 5, I will then have Mrs. Bradburn for science. For period 6, Miss Sababu. And for period 7, Miss Martin. That is step 1 of what you need to do. The next thing we're going to do is log on to MyBigCampus, and we're going to search and join our new groups. Okay, we have now logged into MyBigCampus, as step 2 said, and 3, we're going to search and join our new groups. So what you're going to do is you are going to type in FCV 2013/2014 space and our teachers' names, just like up here, and we're going to join. So in order to do that, when you're on MyBigCampus, you're going to click right here in the search box, and you are going to type in FCV space 2013/2014 space and then your teacher's name. So Mr. Phillips is my first period teacher, so I will put PHILLIPS. And as you can see, there are several Mr. Phillips groups. I'm going to click on View All, and I'm going to choose what period I have him. Here are all Mr. Phillips's groups. I obviously have him for period 1, so I'm going to click on this one for period 1. Once I click on that, there will be online instructions on how I can join his group. So what I will do is I will use my mouse to highlight the join code. On my keypad, I'm going to hit Control-C to copy that code. Then I'm going to click on Join with Code. And then on my keypad again, I'm going to click on Control-V to paste the code and hit Join. Now I have joined Mr. Phillips's class. Then I will go to my next one. I will put FCV space 2013/2014 space and my next teacher's name, which is Mr. Owens. OWENS. As you can see, there are several for Mr. Owens. I'm going to click View All, and I have Mr. Owens' second period, so I am going to look for his group that meets second period, and it's this one right here. So I'll click on it, and I want to join with the code, so again I'm going to highlight with my mouse, hit Control-C to copy that, then I will click on Join with Code, and Control-V to paste and hit Join. Now I am a member of Mr. Owens' group. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is the Piscotti McLernan block class. So once again, FCV space 2013/2014 space Piscotti. Okay, right here we can already see they've come up. Go ahead and hit View All. I know I have Piscotti and McLernan for periods 3 and 4. So I'm going to look over here, and I see that Piscotti and McLernan have Language Arts block, period 3 and 4 here. I will click on it. Once again, it has the join code. I will use my mouse to highlight that. Hit Control C to copy on my keypad. Join with code and hit Control V and join. You will continue that throughout the rest of your classes until you've joined all of your new classes. Also, you will notice at the end of your paper here, down below, there are some other classes that we wish for you to join. First of all is mine, Ms. Cheek's E-Learning and Information Specialist class. So you will want to search for that one for sure. And it's FCV 2013-2014 Cheek. And you can hit View All. And if you're in 7th grade, you will click on this one. And if you are in 8th, you'll click on this one. Same thing as always. Copy the join code by highlighting, Control C to copy, and then join. Now you know how to join all of your classes. Thank you, and this has been a tech tip from Ms. Cheek.